Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Scarlet here. Today's video is all about treat bags and treat box. So I have quite a few 3D projects die from AlinaCraft. So I thought I could show you guys everything in this one video, just to give you guys a better look and maybe to help you to decide which one you would like to get first before you make a purchase. So I'm going to start with her most recent release. This one is her backpack die. So I'll show you the project I made using this one. So here are the two cute backpacks I made using the backpack die. How cute and adorable are these? So because I had these sticker sheets in my stash for a little while, so I really want to use it. That's why I decided to use this rainbow colored patterned paper. But it's up to you if you want to add these decorative pieces or not. I guess if you use cardstock, then you may want to add some patterned paper to decorate your bag. But if you are using patterned paper already, then it's not necessary. Yeah, and then I decorated my box with some washi tape. Like I said, I have lots of washies, so I'm trying to add washies on all the projects I make, so I think it fits well here. How cute. I think it's really cute, and it's quite roomy as well. But this box can actually fit 3 rows of washies. This one I also have 2 inside. And then for the closure, I guess you can either do it like this, or maybe put some adhesive at the front and then you can close your bag. But it's up to you. And also for these two, this two is also from Alina's shop, and this one is quite hard and sturdy, so it will keep the shape. It's not like my own ones. The two I have, it's like this. It's quite soft. If you tie a bow, it won't keep the shape like this. So I was quite impressed with this too. Very pretty. Okay, that's this one. So for the next one is this. Again, super cute handbag dies. So I created this cute purse using this die. How cute is this, guys? It's so cute. And also you can fit quite a lot of stuff in this one too. I think we can definitely fit 2 rows of washi. Oh, okay, it's a bit too much. Maybe a skinny one. Yeah, that will do. And you can put anything else you want to add inside, put inside, like those handmade goodies. Yes. And then sequins, die cards, anything you want. So pretty. And yes, I love bows, so I had to add another bow here. That's this one. And then the next one has to be this very useful lipstick box die. And here's the one I made. So pretty. So but when you make this box, because I used single-sided pattern paper, so I had to cut another piece to cover this. But if you're using a double-sided pattern paper, then you won't have to add another piece at the front. But this is just so cute, and this box you open like this. Of course it will fit your lipsticks. So like, yeah, my colleagues, they really love makeup, so I'm sure I'm going to use this one. for them. And yes, I have to add a bow. And the next one, I think is gonna be my favorite, which is this pizza box die. I love this box so much. So I made 4 of them using this die. Look how cute is this one. This one's an ice cream, and you open the box like this. Again, it can fit lots of stuff inside. I can just randomly grab something from my stash. So you can put a lot of handmade goodies inside, and then I guess die cuts and washes. I'll show you how many washes you can fit in this one. You can actually fit 4 rows of washi in this box. I love this one so much, and because this one you can decorate your box the way you want to, just like you are making a handmade embellishment. I had so much fun when I'm decorating this box. I added some dollies and then die cuts, and of course the bow. So yeah, that's this one. And here's the next one. This one is the pineapple one. Again, excuse me. I decorated it with some flowers, dollies, bows, of course bows. And this one, oh, this one's my favorite. So this one's a pizza box. I have pizza on this box, and then I thought it's quite a little bit fun to add some chips and donuts. So yeah, and then I added washi tape on my box and the bow. And that's the last one. This one is about the leaf, so I also add the plant and dollies and some die cuts with my green bow. This is my favorite project, so I think I'm going to make a whole bunch more. And then the star actually comes with the 2 different type of fonts with alphabet dies. I didn't cut them out because I haven't decided which box goes to which person yet, but yeah, you definitely can add the person's name on the box. Super cute. And then the next one is this gorgeous treat box die. So the project I made earlier was this one with flower on the top. That was for the Easter, and then I did make another one with this intricate die, decorative one on the top as well. Look at this. This is super pretty, gorgeous. This is how it looks like on the box. It's really beautiful. And of course this one is actually quite roomy as well. I guess you can fit lots of candies in this box, and some lipsticks if you want to. Let's see if it can. Oh, okay, this one won't fit washes. Oh, it actually can fit a small row of washes like this, or maybe 2 of them. Yeah, sure can. See? And yeah, maybe it's better to put lollies inside. Okay, that's this one. And then, oops. And then the last one is this cute treat bag die. So these are the little tiny bags I made using this die. It is tiny, so I guess the best thing to put inside is lollies. So there you are. But how cute is this one? And this bow is also from Alina's shop. I will put the link in the description box down below if you are interested. So let's see what we can fit in this one. Okay, I have some die cuts. Okay, this heart is too big for it. And then, oh, this one is also too big. Okay, I know what to put in this one. You can put stickers like this. And your stickers like this, sticker flakes, they are perfect for this. And then your lollies, of course. Alright. Okay, so that's all for today's projects. So I will put every boxes I made over here. And I will add some photos at the end of the video so you can have a closer look to all the boxes. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Have a great day.